So we have prepared the result for first year, first semester, second semester. This is the first semester raw scores and letter grades. And you can see that some students have carryovers. The first one is this math number, the second one is this math number. So we take note of them. You can also see this information in the semester result of a particular student. So if we take a look at the second semester, we see some other students got carryovers. CSE 112. The first student has CSE 122 carryover. Physics 122. 4 carryovers for this student. And 2 carryovers for this student. In fact, you don't need to look at first semester. Once you have a second semester, all the carryovers will be listed in this document. Both the first and second semesters will be listed in courses outstanding. To be sure of that, let's take a look at the first semester. We see that this number 8 has CYB 111 and number 10 has CSC 113. So if you come and look at second semester, you see number 8 CYB 111 is listed along with the new carryovers that the student got in second semester. And for number 10 CSC 113 of the first semester is listed along with CYB 111 of the second semester. So if we look at all the list of carryovers, they are shown here. So for second year 200 level, these are the core courses that all students should register for first semester, core courses for second semester, and carryovers which belong to some specific students in the class. So we can see that CYB 111 is there, CYB 121 is here, CSC 113 is here, CSC 121 is here, CSC 122 is here, Physics 122 is here, GST 121 is here, and MTH 121 is here. So how do we register this for the students? We will still come to class registration. This time we are registering for 200 level. Select the program you want to register for. It's another session now, 200 level, and we are going to pick these courses: CSC 211, MTH 211, CYB 212. For first semester, can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second semester CSC 221. Physics 223. So these are the courses that must be registered for all students in 200 level. So when you are sure that all the courses have been selected, there are 14 courses. Take a look at it again and be sure 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So one course is missing that I have not put there. And what could that cost be? 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, MTH 211, MTH 214 is the one I missed. So you can come back here, pick MTH 214, include it, and repost. We now have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When you are sure that you've selected all the courses, you can now click post. Okay. So it took quite some time to add 17 records. This is what you can do for class registration. Now, for those students who have carryover, specifically, we are going to deal with them individually. So you come to individual course registration, select regular 22-23 200 level. We are now going to look through the results sheet and know which students have carryover. We will drop this first semester one because everything is in the second semester. So the first student has a carryover CSE 1 to 2. Now, depending on the regulation of your university, if the carryover is not a core course and the student has met the credit requirements, he may not be required to re-register it again. But in this case, CSE 1 to 2 is a core course. Everything is core here. So we want to register CSE 1 to 2 for this student. The mat number is 002194. So we look for the mat number 002194 194. Look at the name of the student to confirm that this is the actual student that has got a carryover. Aho. Okay. So we will add CSE 1 to 2 for this particular student. CSE 1 to 2 is a second semester course. We'll put it here. Then click add. So CSE 1 to 2 has been included for this particular student. Now, adding and removing courses is very regulated. We are going to now post this record for this particular student. You see, the student has not exceeded the maximum credit load for the session, so that is good. So when you post record, the system will ignore all the courses that are already registered for the student and finally post the record. So post record. Okay. To be sure that the record has been posted, refresh. So you can see that CSE 1 to 2 was actually added for the student. We can close the window again to be very sure that it was added to the student. So (0194). Okay. Aho. It's actually added for the student. So this is the same way we are going to add records for every other student that has got a carryover. We can come and look at 00206 Erua Physics 1 to 2. physics 1 to 2, and it's second semester. Post it, post record. Physics 1 to 2. Now this student has 4 carryovers, of which we are not sure all of them can be included. So 2198 002198. Depending on your program, so we already have 37, and if the student cannot take beyond 40, then we may not be able to add all the carryovers that the students have. It depends on your program. If you can be able to include all the 4 carryovers, you can include them. Otherwise, you can, or we can first of all check whether among all these carryovers, if there are any one of them that are elective, they can be dropped, and only the core carryovers should be included. So let's check CYB111 whether it's core. CYB111 is core. In fact, all the courses field are core courses, so all of them need to be included. But if you cannot exceed the maximum credit, then you can't include all of them. I think this is the reason why students should not be made to take too many courses, so that they can have room to include carryovers when they have carryovers. So let's see which one we can add now. CYB111 is 2 credits, so we can just add CYB111. Now this physics is still here. You can remove it and you can add CYB111 for this student. And the student has 39. So we post records. And the other student that has a carryover for credits is 2203 Nebudin. 2203 Nebudin. And Nebudin has CSC 113 and CYB 121. CSC 113. Remember to delete the previous courses that were there, because if you don't, then they will be automatically added. You have to be careful and you have to be removing them later. So CSC 113 for first semester, and you can post record. We now have 39 for this student, and it's a post record. Alright, so this is how to add carryover courses. For carryover student, you use the individual sessional course registration. In the same way, if you want to remove a specific course, you can do that. You just say, click on that particular course you want to remove for that student, and you click delete row. But you have not gotten to that stage. Now if you want to delete an entire record, which is something that shouldn't be done actually on special occasions, you can use this to delete the entire 200 level record for the student. But that's dangerous practice. You have to be sure of what you are doing. So I hope there is no need for us to do this. Alright, so the records have been posted for 200 level. As usual, if you want to register the results for 200 level. This is the same way we did it before, no difference. So click on regular 2022-23 200. All the 200 level courses registered together with the carryover will be shown here. So you see, only Nebudin registered for 113. It's the only person that got the carryover there, I guess. Now when you print this Excel sheet, the lecturer who taught 113, possibly both first year students and second year students and maybe students from every other department who takes the course, attended the course. But because the registration for each student is different, when you print this Excel sheet, he will have a separate Excel sheet for Nebudin and a separate Excel sheet for the first year students that did it. If physics students came to do the course, in the physics department they will print their own CSE 113 Excel sheet and send to the lecturer. So the organization is superb, no confusion, no unnecessary problems anywhere. Right, this is another carryover. The only person that got it is Aho. And which other carryover? CYB 111, only one person got it also. Physics 122, only one person got it also. If there is more than one people that got it, you will see them here. So the core courses, all the students registered for them as usual. So what you do is download the Excel sheet normally as we do before, send to the lecturers in electronic format. When the lecturers finish completing it, they send it back to you and then you upload. So let's go about the downloading now and see. I want us to see how the organization of the folder actually helped to make things better. So when you are downloading, everything goes to score sheets. Now you see score sheets has been cleaned up. So since you have registered new students for a brand new session, we want brand new data to come here when we are downloading the score sheets. So I click on this and I say download Excel. Alright, so all our Excel sheets for 200 level 2022-2023 session has been downloaded. So you can take all the sheets here now and send to the lecturers, and when the lecturer returns them back to you, you follow the same procedure that we did before to upload Excel one by one, edit record one by one, and then you are ready to print reports. Alright.